Hey, haven't you finished the script yet?
Not yet. It's gonna be ready by the weekend.
What do you mean by the weekend? We don't have that much time, Java. We can't afford to lose that client.
We won't lose him, Alex. I didn't say I'm not going to write it. I just need a little more time to make it better. Actually, we already had a great script and I was ready to shoot it. But your guy didn't like it for some reason.
It's normal. He's the boss. He's the one who pays us. I don't know, buddy. Just do your best and do it fast, please.
Okay. Okay. Sana attığım senaryoda dəyişiklik eləmək lazımdır.
Bu çok güzel bir seçimdir. Edeceğin her bir değişikliği analiz edip isteğine uygun tekmilleştirebilirim. Ne kimi değişiklik etmeyimi isteyerdin?
Nə bilim, Zamu da bir müştəri üçün təkmilləşdir getsin.